Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about how to practicing the chart. We are going to practicing the chart. Let's see what we can do. So as you can see here in the chart, we are it is a weekly time frame starting, so these points is important for me. I will draw the one and put that as a weekly point. So here is market tab, so this part is important for me. For the weekly, it is breakdown, structure breakdown. So for the weekly points I have drawn, I see in the weekly we are bullish. So now we shift to daily, and what we can see in daily. So in daily we have some good points like this point already market tab. Let's draw this point, never tapped, and so we put this as a daily. So today is the date is Friday 10 May 2024. So we are shift now to the 4 hours. In 4 hours we are waiting, playing the candles till the London open on Monday. So first one you can see here is 2:30 Monday, and this one 6:30. So now I shift to the 15 minutes. It's what I do every day. So let's see. Now we draw the Asia range, as everybody's saying nowadays. It's common. Asia range, this point to this point, and let's what we have here in 15 minutes we can see here is the liquidity, and here market sweep liquidity and breakdown. So this point is also liquidity. Let's see what we can do. If we give us a position, we gonna take it. Let's see. One, so now London is about to open. Let's see. London open, and here if you can see now it's 12:30. 12:30 you can see sweep this liquidity, break this structure. Not trusting that, it's not that good. Here we can see the London sweep this liquidity and break the structure to the upside. Maybe they wanna go for that. So as you can see, this is my strategy always. When the market comes, sweep liquidity and break the structure, I'm going for long. That's it. If it is work, if it doesn't, no problem. I wait for another one. So here I set my long Eurusd. I go stop loss here for peep, and I target this high. Maybe that is a liquidity market wanna go up. Let's see. Or usually I'll tap in. Holy shit, we can make this a R3. So trading is emotional. So imagine you will be in this position, so you're not gonna wait more. So you take this Monday, one trade, and that is hit our TP and give us a nice 1 by 3 hour. So this is for the Monday. Now again, if you want to trade again on Monday, you need to wait for the New York to open. London sessions give us a nice TP. Now jump to the New York session. Play the chart. See if we could stay, it will give us nice TP here. So anyway, so now we are going to maybe take all this liquidity. Don't know. Let's see. Monday. So I'm not seeing any good setup now, so I quit the day. What's the time here? 10:30. I clear all those points which are draw yesterday today. For the new fresh day, I'm thinking a new thing. So now we come to the daily. We see the daily candlesticks. So in daily we can see here again in the line chart it's broke to the upside. It's quite bullish, not a sign of return, so this point must be liquidity after sweeping this point. So now we draw the daily. For example, this point is for me interesting. Here broken and all. It's a daily point for buying. Let's see if it gives us a trigger, otherwise we won't buy this point. Let's jump to the 4 hour. So 4 hour now. You see here. Again. Now we go for, let's see, what's the time now? It is Monday now. We play the candles to come Tuesday. What is this? 2:30, 6:30. So now I am planning to go to the 15 minutes. Sorry for my English. Let's see what we can do here. 2:30, and now draw our Asia lag as it is. Go back. So we draw the vertical line like 11:30, and it is 12:30. The London session will opening at that time in my time zone, which I'm living in India. So in India, time zone is different in your country, so you can find out that for you guys. I don't know that. Can change that from here if you're in London or whatever country, Toronto, and in New York or Lima or Vancouver, wherever you are, you have to find that by yourself. So now let me play the candles. 1, 2. Let's give us a work pen. So we can see here a nice London sweep this liquidity and give us a break of a structure. So, and I'm not having trust in this to go for short. Let's see, maybe after sweeping this liquidity I may go for a long or something. Let's see. Again. Yeah, this sweep the liquidity, so it gives us a nice 2G, and we are tap the daily zone. This is the daily. You can see the daily zone 2G. So bit difficult to go for a long. Let's wait for another candle. Think you miss it or something. Let's buy it here. Maybe here or closing of this candle and put 5 pips and target the Asia high, which is 1 2 3. Actually, this is breaking my law. It should break this high and then go for long. So as of now, because sweep liquidity, lots of liquidity up here, good momentum. Let's see. Let's see. Shit. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. It's for the second day. It is today's Tuesday. So Monday profit, Tuesday profit. So now clean all this shit. Withdraw here. And this daily zone held. So now again, if you want to trade, you wait for the New York session. Let's see what New York can do. 7:30. So play the candle. New York. Sheh. So what happened here? News. When there's news, first of all, don't trade. See, if it was not news, so the market could come here, right here, I think so. It could come here and give us here a nice breakout, so we could have go for long. So the market trap everybody. So during the news days, it's better to stay out and don't trade. But anyway, trade is all about risking. When you see your setup, the one which you practiced a lot, just take it. Don't scare. Let the market to hit your stop, no matter. But you have a system, you have a strategy, so you have a good risk management. Whatever you risk here, for example, I had to risk my 0.5, half percent to 1%, half percent to 1%. If it stop you, okay, no problem. Try again and again. You will gonna be a profitable. It's saying easy, but in practical it's very hard. So you have to teach your mind to accept all these stops and everything, the market conditions. Don't fight with it, guys. So yeah, what happened today? Tuesday done. So now we jump to the daily. I don't want to trade anymore on Tuesday. So today is also in a bullish. So we're gonna draw this point, this point, this point for our intraday buy daily. So this point is important as well. So now we can see here the line chart. You can find this point is important. So if the market touch here and give a confirmation, we go short till here. Let's see what we can do on the next day. So this point is also important. We can draw as a rejection point of daily or whatever. Now we are here. So let's play the 4 candles to come the next day on. We come to the Wednesday. So 1. Now we are 6:30. We're going to draw again our Asia. Let's see. Here we draw the Asia. Asia for me starting at 9:30 to from here 2:30 to 9:30. You can find it very easy, like you change to the where's the New York -5. So from the 5 p.m. New York to midnight is Asia. That's it. Then change to wherever you're living, like in any country. So I'm living in beautiful India, so let's see. So let's try here. Asia drop-in, so I'm go for New York. So yeah, now we can see nicely this point is a beautiful liquidity. So let's see if the market touch here and give us a good reaction, then we do something incredible. No, no, I didn't see any good setup today. So let's see for the New York 5:30. So what news we have? Oh my god, today we should not trade, but let's see. It's a news day, so guys, I think toop. Let's see. So before news, it takes all take for a long. Let's see. Sure. News cam in a minute. Still. Yeah, guys, look at this. Today news, no trading, doesn't give me a clear, I mean, what a clear setup. So this point is no more valid. So let's see, this point is valid. So after news, okay. To let this one, now we go to daily. So we are about to reach the weekly point, which is after this sweep of this all liquidity, market is still way to touch here. So clean all these things, no more using. So we're going to use this point. If this in the line chart, guys, this point, then shift to here, maybe again pen closer. It's where is the market to come here and go bound? I don't think so. So let's jump to the 4 hours. 4 hours, just replay one. What's the time? 10:30. Now it is 2:30. New day, and now 6:30. So sweep all liquidity, touch our point. We go to see this London range, Asia range. Withdraw that one. That's, guys, you should practice always. This market not easy. Not easy, guys, not easy. So in 15 minutes night QM sweep the liquidity, break structure. So let's draw the vertical line here. So let's see what we can see in London open. Maybe all this liquidity sweep. Let's see. this one. Mm. Right at what time? 12:30 New York open, London open. So let me. This is, but I'm down to this liquidity. So I want to go up. So it sweep all these things as you guys see, and changing the character here. We can think for a long first touch, guys. Well, but still, let's risk, guy. If we lose, it's okay. But I sure it is not very good setup. We have to risk here very half of your capital, like 0.25, for example, to get this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, stop out. So now it swept this liquidity. Let's see. No. Still no. Not a good setup. Waiting for the land. Open. No. No. New scam. Touch our point. Rejection equal lows. If it's break above here, maybe I think for a long. Let's see. Doji. Yeah. Again, I risk here. Kinda risky, so sweep the liquidity of this range. Let me go for a long. Put stop loss down below this one. It's also not a very good setup, so I risk here 1 2 1 to 3. Yeah, that's much enough, guys. Yes. Come on. Holy shit. You have. So this breakout. Maybe retesting that one. So, and then on liquid sweep. So we can do risk free now to let the rest run. Yeah, the next day came, guys. So now the time is not good and Asia started, the price will be slow. So you could close this one like here, maybe you get good. So risk free and let it run. The Asia will open now or something. Let's see what will happen. So let's analyze. This is Thursday, so 1 day to go, guys. Let's see how much we made this week. And yeah, so now we shift to the 1 hour, sorry, daily. In daily, we can see still market tap the weekly point, rejected, so we draw this a daily point for the short, give us a good, setup. So now we go for 4 hours. Let's see. what we can do. So now what's the time? It is 6:30. So play candles. Oh, see, it come back and break even, guys. No problem. What is the time here? 6:30. So now we can 6:30. Now 4 hours in all point. Maybe this is a good point. This one and this one, maybe this one. See what is the 4H. Let's see in case it come meeting or yeah, and I'm not seeing any good point to go for a long or something. This break even, or whatever. So let's draw this one. 2:30, 9:30. So the point is still lagging here. Clean this one, no more using. So maybe if it's go here, we think for a short like these all liquidity, I think so. Or let's see if he give us a good setup. Otherwise we wait, and it is very hard to wait, guys. We don't wait, we all don't wait, and we think something and we take position and we lose money. Yes, maybe this sweet liquidity here. Oh guys, I don't know. Today's don't know anything. Maybe 4 hours. 4 hour was here. Let's see 4 hour. This point in 4 hour was a good point because of what? See, one touch here, one touch here, broke, again touch, next time. So we go now for 15 minutes, let's see. Yeah, guys, this after sweeping, not sweeping this high to that 4 minutes, so risky. That was not my. So give us a nice momentum here, breakout candles or whatever. We may. So we miss. What's the time here? No, not a good time to think of trade now. So let's see how much we made by practicing the chart. Start here. For example, take 3% here. Whatever you risk, 3. You got 2. You got here, and when you lost here, this break even. So if you minus this with these 2, So 2 2 3 2 5 minus 1 4. So you're 4% made at that week. So thanks guys for watching this session of practice with me. So always try to practice the charts by yourself and try to learn something. It is what it is. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.